Hello once again. For today's video, we're going to learn about multiplying algebraic fraction. So as you can see on the whiteboard, these are all examples of algebraic fraction. Sa ibang libro, ang tawag sa algebraic fraction ay rational expression. So how do we multiply algebraic fraction? Okay, so we will look at the first example. So we have here 3x squared over 2 multiplied to 2 over 9x. So, first thing, titingnan muna natin kung meron ba tayong magkapareho sa numerator side and denominator side. So, as you can see, we have 2. Meron tayong 2 sa numerator and meron din tayong 2 sa denominator. So, ano pa? Meron tayong x dito, meron din tayong x dito. And, how about this number here? 3 and 9. Okay, so 3 and 9, pareho siyang divisible by 3. Okay, we will solve one by one. So, since meron tayong 2 sa taas, sa numerator side, and meron din tayong 2 sa denominator side, pwede lang natin siyang i-cancel out. Okay? So, because 2 over 2 is just equal to 1. And by the way, pwede lang natin gawin yung cancellation if, okay, tandaan natin, if the operation, yung operation sa gitna ay multiplication. So, kung plus yung nandito, plus, then, hindi natin pwedeng i-cancel out yan. Okay? Remember, only multiplication that we can cancel directly. Okay? So, we already canceled out 2 and 2. So, the remaining expressions are 3x squared over 9x. So, di ba po itong 3x squared, pwede natin siyang spread into 3 multiplied by x multiplied by x. Tama po ba? Okay, and then sa baba, yung 9, pwede rin nating i-factor. Okay, yung 9 is, ang factor ng 9 is 3 times 3. So, ang technique pala is, ifa-factor natin siya na kung saan yung factor natin ay meron tayong maika-cancel sa numerator side. Kagaya nito. So, meron tayong 3. So, ang 9, ipa-factor natin siya na kung saan yung factor ng 9 ay merong 3 para pwede lang natin siyang i-cancel later. Okay? So, 9 is also equal to 3 times 3. Tapos yung x. Okay? Kukopyahin lang natin yung x. Okay? So, since, by the way, yung mga dot dito, it means multiplication. So, some uses bracket like this one. Okay, pwede rin kayo gumamit ng bracket. Okay, hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng x sa multiplication symbol kasi pwede kang ma-confuse sa variable x. Kaya, pwedeng bracket or pwedeng dot para sa multiplication. So ngayon, since na-factor out na natin yung expression sa numerator and denominator side, pwede na tayong mag-cancel. So, 3 and 3, okay, and then 1x. Okay, x and x. Now, susulat natin yung mga naiwan na expression. So, sa taas, meron na lang tayong x. And then, sa baba, meron na lang tayong 3. So, therefore, yung answer is x over 3 or x divided by 3. Okay, easy lang po ba? Okay, now let's have another example here. So, itong another example, yung second example natin is, it's division of or rational expression that involves binomial. So, sa taas, meron tayong binomial. Sa baba, meron tayong binomial. Ito din, binomial, binomial. Okay, so, sa first example, puro monomial. Okay? So, first nga, okay, titingnan natin kung meron na tayong common terms na pwede nating i-cancel out. But since wala, okay, so what we can do is, ifa-factor natin yung bawat expression dito na pwedeng i-factor. Okay? So, 4x plus 8. Pwede ba natin siya i-factor? Okay, so pwede nating ilabas yung 4 kasi 4 is common. Okay, may yung 4 dito, pwedeng i-divide sa 4. Yung 8 dito is divisible by 4. So, we can just write down 4, then bracket. Okay, 4x divided by 4 is just x. And then, copy natin yung plus. Then, 8 divided by 4. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, so ito na yung factor niya. And then, below, okay, sa baba, x squared minus 25. Okay, so, maaring na-learn na natin before na kung ang first and last expression ay perfect square, then ito siya ay pwede lang nating i-break into, okay? So, 1 is a perfect square, 25 is a perfect square. So, therefore, this will turn into x minus 5 and x plus 5. So, kung i-combine mo yan siya, i-multiply mo, babalik yan dito. Okay? And then, on the other side, copy multiplication. Okay? So, x minus 5 is already lowest term or simplified form. So, we cannot factor this any longer. Kopyahin lang natin x minus 5. And then, over, okay, 5x plus 10. So, tingnan natin yung first term and second term. So, parehong divisible by 5. So, we can just put the 5 outside the bracket. Okay, we can just factor out 5. So, 5x divided by 5 will be x. And then, copy ang plus. Plus, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay. So, ito na yung factor ng expression na ito. So, after natin ma-factor out lahat ng expression sa ating given, okay, ang susunod natin na gagawin is hanapin natin yung magkaparehong term sa numerator and denominator side. So, 4. Meron ba tayong 4 sa baba? Okay, wala. Okay, x plus 2. So, x plus 2. So, meron tayong x plus 2 dito. So, pwede lang nating i-cancel ang x plus 2. Okay, cancel x plus 2. And then, ano pa? X minus 5. Meron ba tayong x minus 5? So, x minus 5, meron tayong x minus 5 dito. So, cancel and cancel. So, ano pa? Ano pa yung pwede nating makancel? So, wala na. So, after na natin makancel out lahat ng pwede i-cancel, so, susulat na lang natin yung naiwan. So, 4 over sa baba, meron tayong 5 and then x plus 5. So, therefore, ito na yung sagot. Or, pwede nyo ring i-combine. Okay? So, pwede rin ganito yung sagot. 4 over, pwede natin i-combine dito. 5 times x is 5x. Then, copy plus. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay? So, therefore, either sa dalawang ito ay tama. Okay? Depende lang yun sa teacher kung ano yung ipiprefer niya. Yung factored form or yung nakakombine yung denominator or any of this one. Okay? So, meron pa bang tanong? Okay, so we will have third example. Okay, wherein we're going to divide trinomial. Okay, so yung algebraic fraction natin dito involves trinomial multiplied to another trinomial. Okay, so let's have another example. Okay, so we have here another example. Example number 3. X squared minus 8x plus 12 over x squared minus 16 multiplied to 4x plus 16 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, ang gagawin natin una ay magpa-factor tayo. So, if-factor natin yung mga numerators, if-factor din natin yung mga denominator. Okay, so ang una nating i-factor, ito siya. Okay, so ano yung nga ba yung factor ng 8 square, itong expression na ito, x squared, okay, minus 8x plus 12. Okay, so, ang technique na alam ko is, ipa-factor natin itong first term. So, ang factor niyan ay 1x, and then 1x. Then, ipa-factor din natin yung 12. So, di ba ang 12, ang mga factors niya ay pwedeng 4 times 3 and pwede ring 6 multiplied by 2. So, alin dito yung mag-i-equal sa 8? So, pwede nating i-try muna to. Kasi, ang technique na ito is more on trial and error. So, ito. Try natin yung 6 and 2. 6 and 2. So, and then, ang next na gagawin, i-cross multiply natin. Cross multiply. Okay, so, 1x times 2, this is 2x. Ito naman, 1x times 6 is equal to 6x. So, this will be 6x plus 2x is 8x. So, equal siya ngayon sa middle term, but this is negative. So, that means ito ay negative, ito ay negative. That when we cross multiply, okay, ang result niya ay negative din, kaya magiging 8x. So, therefore, the factors are this one. So, again, isusulat natin siya across. So, the factors now are, okay, we have x minus 6 and x minus 2. Okay. Pwede natin itong i-erase. Okay, then, over. Okay, over. Okay, fa-factor din natin yung nasa baba. Ito siya. So, x squared minus 16. Okay, the first expression is a perfect square. The last expression is also a perfect square. So, therefore, this one, we can just break it into, okay, square root ng 16 ay 4. So, we can have x minus 4 and on the other side, x plus 4. Okay, and then, copy multiplication. Okay, this one, pwede nating i-factor yung 4. Okay, labas yung 4. And then, 4x divided by 4 is x. Copy plus. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And then, over. Okay, ito naman. Pa-factor din natin ito siya. Okay, so, factor the first term. Okay, ang first term ay, meron tayong 1x and 1x. Trial and error. Okay, 4. So, pwedeng 2 and 2. So, cross-multiply. 1 times 2. 1x times 2 will be 2x. This is also 2x. Okay, but since 4 is negative, so we can just put negative here and negative here. So, ito ay negative and negative. So, therefore, 2x and negative 2x plus negative 2x is negative 4x. So, equal siya ngayon sa middle term. So, therefore, the factors are this one. Okay, so, pwede nating isulat x minus 2 and then x minus 2. Okay. So, after natin na-factor out lahat, na-factor lahat, then, we can now cancel the common. Okay, common between the denominator and numerator. So, x minus 6. Meron bang common sa denominator side? Wala. Okay, x minus 2. Meron bang common? Okay, so meron. Okay, so ka-cancel natin yung isang x minus 2. Okay, cancel. Okay, next 4. Okay, meron ba tayong 4 sa denominator side? Wala. X plus 4. So, meron tayong common. X plus 4 and x plus 4. Then, after that, okay, we will now write down yung mga naiwan na expression. So, meron tayong 4 and meron din tayong x minus 6. X minus 6. Okay, sa baba, okay, meron tayong x minus 4 and x minus 2. Okay, x minus 4 and x minus 2. Pwede rin natin siyang i-combine or i-multiply. And pwede rin ito na yung final answer. So, if we multiply natin, magiging 4x. Okay, distributive property. 4 times negative 6 will be negative 24. Okay, over. Okay, ito siya, multiplication of binomials. So, we have x squared. Outer. Okay, outer terms. Ito and ito. So, that will be negative 2x. Okay, inner, this one and this one, negative 4x. And this one and this one is positive 8. Okay, so the final answer will be 4x minus 24 over, okay, x squared minus 6x plus 8. Okay, ito na yung answer. Okay. Nakuha po ba natin? Okay, so ang next na i-discuss natin is dividing algebraic fractions. So, I hope na nakatulong ang video na ito at ang mga example sa pagsosolve ninyo sa math. And kung nakatulong ang video na ito, pwede nyong i-follow ang aking page, Do the Math. And then, pwede nyo ring i-share sa inyong mga kaibigan para ito rin ay makatulong sa kanila. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!